we made it to day 5. Today we are putting it all together into a quick routine. We'll combine nasal clearing with tongue posture. If your tongue stays on the roof of your mouth, it's physically impossible to snore. So we're going to bring the tip of our tongue to the roof of the mouth, but that is closer to your front teeth. So, and seal your lips and do that nasal breathing. Breathe in and out through your nose. Just breathe softly here. This is your sleep posture. Practice this every day, where the tongue is touching up to your upper teeth from inside. When you turn off the lights and you lay on your bed, start breathing with your tongue up. Continue breathing here. One last breath. All right, how does it feel? Finishing 5 days. Do go back and practice every day. You keep on doing this 5-day series by yourself and you will definitely feel the difference. You have the tools to reclaim your sleep. Consistency is your best friend here. Follow my channel for the full series and check out the Mouth Gym series also. That will help you with snore-free nights. Thank you.